Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet wreath ornament. For this, I am using 3mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First take a yarn and make 10 rounds. Insert the hook in the center. Pull up the yarn. Then make a chain of 3. In the center, we are going to make 32 double crochets. Continue like this all the way across. Make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. To start our second row, insert the hook into any stitch. Pull up the yarn. Then chain 3. In the same stitch, make 4 double crochets together. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. We have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Chain 3. Then make a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3. In the next stitch, make 4 double crochets together. We have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops, then chain 3, then chain 3 and single crochet in the next stitch. We are going to repeat this all the way across. Chain 3, 4 double crochets together in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 5 loops, chain 3 and single crochet in the next stitch. Continue like this all the way across. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Make a magic circle. Chain 3. 5 double crochets in the magic ring. Chain 3, single crochet in the center. Chain 3, 5 double crochets in the magic circle. Chain 3, single crochet in the magic circle. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and thanks for watching.